Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my family's favorite Korean dishes, ground beef bulgogi. And these are the ingredients we need: sesame oil, ground black pepper, olive oil, rice vinegar, onion leeks, dark Kikkoman soy sauce, garlic, onions, sesame seeds, sugar, and ground beef. In a big bowl, combine the ground beef, soy sauce, rice vinegar, sugar, pepper, garlic, and onions. Mix well with a spoon or with your hands. We don't need to marinate this, we can just cook it right away. Okay, so let's start cooking. Make sure to preheat the wok before adding the olive oil. Next, add the ground beef mixture and cook until the meat is no longer pink. Keep breaking the meat apart and keep stirring as the meat cooks. Keep cooking until there's no more moisture and meat is fully cooked. Okay, so this is just an optional step. I covered it to make the browning process fast. The cooking time varies. So I made a big batch and I actually used 3 pounds of the ground beef in this recipe. So it took me about 30 to 40 minutes to cook. Also, you have to stir occasionally. So when the moisture is gone, you can add in your desired vegetables. I used frozen green peas because that's what I have on hand. Broccoli is also a good option. So just cook for about 2 to 3 minutes till the green beans are soft and crisp. Now we add the sesame oil, green onions, and sesame seeds. And give it one last toss before serving. Now we plate. Serve with hot rice, add the meat, garnish with sesame seeds and leeks. So this is our ground beef bulgogi. Kain na tayo!